Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with a brand new signal and today's signal is going to be on BTCUSD, aka Bitcoin per US dollar, one of the most famous cryptocurrencies out there. So without any time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay guys, now that we're on our calendar, as you can see, currently buyers are much stronger than the sellers, and we have some news on high impact sections that are kinda going to affect the price in a bearish way because of the forecast of them and the negative rating of this one. But what I actually think is that today's trade is going to be a selling trade, but that selling trade is going to be triggered after an upward move. That upward move should happen in order for us to start selling, because it's at a really risky area for selling and it has a lot of liquidity above it in the chart. And as you all know me, news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on the chart, as you can see, we're on BTCUSD on 4-hour time frame, and as always I have pre-drawn some zones for you. The red zone is a really strong resistance zone because what I've told you before was that we have a lot of liquidity above equal highs, and if these equal highs are taken and then if we see the price come down below the level of them, it will make a really strong resistance out of itself, and this blue area still holds a lot of liquidity above it just because of these three equal highs. And what I think is that the price of Bitcoin is eventually going to play around here and most likely to break above this level. And if it broke above it, we have to wait for it to come back down below, give us a little bit of a pullback, or we can use other confirmations as well, and it will start to fall down because it actually makes a really strong resistance out of itself and it will help us with our selling trade. So what I want from you now is to sit back, enjoy the music so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful setup, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good time and peace.